In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 11. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. First, you have to click on Windows or Start button in your keyboard and click on Settings. Right now, guys, inside your settings, you have to click on System and after that, click on Storage. So here, guys, you will find Storage Management, Storage Sense, and click Turn On. This will be allow automatically deleting your junk file, and after that click cleanup recommendation and click see advanced options. And right now you have to choose all of this, and what you have to do, click on remove file, click continue. After that you have to back, and what you have to do right now, you have to go directly to apps and click on installed apps. Here, guys, search for the apps that you are not using at all. For example, I will just search and I will find some apps that I don't use and it make my Windows slow. For example, Blood Strike game. Click on this three dot, click install, yes. So I will just have to wait until installing. So you have to do the same to any apps that you don't use and you want to delete. After that, guys, what you have to do, just go to gaming, go to Xbox mode, enable Xbox mode and click turn off. And click right now on privacy and security, and you will go and see app permission. For example, location. I don't need location on my PC. I will just disable it and turn off it like this. And I will back again to privacy and security, to app permission, to camera. I don't use camera. If you don't use it, turn off it like this. If you use it, just keep it as is it. Then, guys, you have to go back, go to speech, and click turn off as I'm doing, guys. And also to privacy and security, recommendation and offers, and disable all these options here. And then also keep on privacy and security, and you will found here many things. For example, phone calls. I don't use phone calls on my Windows, so I will just click on it and disable it like this. And then I will go to system here, click on notifications, and I will disable notifications because also it's make my Windows slow. So after doing that, guys, I will go to recycling bin and open it. If I found any files here, I will just select them all and click on right click, sorry, and click on delete and click yes. So I hope, guys, these steps will help you to make your Windows speed up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.